Imagine a future where you're more productive than ever, but somehow you feel less essential. Where AI helps you think faster, build better, and create more, but your unique human fingerprints start to fade. That's the paradox we're living in right now. The ghost in the machine isn't just about AI taking jobs. It's about AI making you better, while making your contribution feel almost invisible. Your design gets sharper, your writing gets smarter, your ideas scale further than ever before. But somewhere in that process, the line between you and the machine starts to blur. So, what happens when our greatest achievements might not truly be our own? When we can't tell where our creativity ends and the algorithm begins? That's where purpose has to evolve. Because the truth is, AI isn't replacing humanity, it's revealing it. The profit now lives in efficiency, but the premium is in humanity. AI will handle the speed, scale, and systems, but we, the humans, still bring intention, emotion, and connection. If you're already a digital creator, the real you, your presence, your story, your soul just became more valuable than ever. The next decade won't be about man versus machine. It'll be about man with machine, serving others faster, smarter, and more intentionally. I'm Schaefer, founder of Whiskey River Media. We help entrepreneurs merge AI with human intelligence to build smarter, more efficient, and more meaningful businesses, because the future doesn't belong to AI. It belongs to those who know how to work with it.